Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs dinner on the table in no time, then today's video is for you. I'm sharing 10 quick dinners you can make in 20 minutes or less. These recipes are perfect for busy nights when you're craving something tasty but don't want to spend hours cooking. Let's get started. First up, we have one-pan garlic Parmesan chicken. This is a super simple and flavorful dish. Start by seasoning chicken breasts with garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Sear them in a hot pan for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until golden brown, then sprinkle with fresh parsley. Serve with a side of veggies or a quick salad. This meal is quick, satisfying, and full of flavor. Next is a classic Italian dish, spaghetti aglio e olio. All you need is spaghetti, olive oil, garlic, and red pepper flakes. Boil your pasta, then sauté the garlic and red pepper flakes in olive oil. Toss the cooked spaghetti into the pan and give it a quick toss. You can add some grated Parmesan for extra flavor, simple yet delicious. If you're craving something savory, try a quick beef stir-fry with veggies. Slice up some beef and stir-fry with mixed vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and broccoli. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, and a splash of rice vinegar. Serve it over rice or noodles and dinner is done in no time. These quick shrimp tacos are perfect for taco night. Sauté shrimp in a hot pan with garlic, chili powder, and lime juice. Warm up some tortillas and fill them with the shrimp, shredded lettuce, avocado, and a drizzle of sour cream or salsa. Ready in 15 minutes and you've got a flavorful dinner. For a lighter dinner, try a caprese salad with grilled chicken. Grill some chicken breasts, then slice them and layer with fresh mozzarella, tomato slices, and basil leaves. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and olive oil for extra flavor. A fresh, healthy, and quick dinner that's perfect for summer. Next we have veggie quesadillas. Simply fill a tortilla with shredded cheese, sautéed onions, bell peppers, and spinach. Grill on both sides until crispy and golden brown. Serve with a side of salsa and guacamole for the ultimate quick dinner. Pesto pasta with cherry tomatoes is another quick and flavorful option. Boil some pasta and toss it in store-bought or homemade pesto sauce. Add halved cherry tomatoes and top with Parmesan cheese. You won't believe how good this is in such a short time. Chicken Caesar wraps are a perfect dinner for when you want something light but satisfying. Grill or pan-sear some chicken, then slice it and add to a tortilla along with lettuce, Parmesan cheese, and Caesar dressing. Roll it up and serve. You can even add croutons for extra crunch. Need a dinner that uses leftovers? Quick veggie fried rice is the answer. Simply stir-fry leftover rice with mixed veggies, garlic, and soy sauce. Add a scrambled egg for extra protein and in just 10 minutes, you've got a flavorful meal.